Let's look at Unit 5 test, the second review sheet, and let's do number 8 together. There are 8's in 4 parts. You have a standard deck of cards, 52 cards, and let's get the probability of, let's do 8A, which is a 2 or a jack. Well, the probability of getting a 2, and mind you, these are mutually exclusive because you'll never get a card that's a 2 and a jack. That makes no sense. So let's see, the probability of a 2 is, so we're going to do the probability of 2 and we're going to add it to the probability of a jack. The probability of getting a 2 where there's 2 of clubs, 2 of hearts, 2 of spades, 2 of diamonds, so that's 4 out of 52. And the same thing for a jack. It's also, there's only 4 jacks in the deck, so together that's 8 out of 52, which could be reduced, divide by 4, so you get 2 over 13. Okay, so that's 8A. Let's look at 8B. The probability of getting a red or a spade. So let's think about this, a red or a spade. Now again, these are mutually exclusive because cards are never red and spades. Spades are black cards. So these are mutually exclusive, so we have to do the probability of a red plus the probability of a spade. Well, getting a red card is half the deck. That's 26 out of 52. Plus the spades, well, there's 13 spades out of the deck. So that's 39 over 52, which I'm sure reduces, let's see, 13 goes into both the top and the bottom, 3/4. Okay, what's letter C? It's picking a face card or a diamond. Now let's think of this. The probability, that's supposed to be a P, of a face card or diamond. Now, these are not mutually exclusive because there are face cards that are also diamonds. So we're going to have to do that subtraction step here to cancel out the doubles. So the probability of a face card, let's say there's jack, queen, and king for each of the 4 suits. So that's 12 over 52. That's the jack, queen, king of hearts, the jack, queen, king of diamonds, the jack, queen, king of spades, and the jack, queen, king of clubs. Or the diamonds. How many diamonds in their deck? Well, there's 13 diamonds in the deck. But how many are face cards and diamonds? Let's think about this. That's jack, queen, king of diamonds. So that's subtracting 3 of them. Think about this. 12 represents all the face cards. 3 face cards per suit. 3 times 4 is 12. 13 represents all the diamonds. There's 13 diamonds in the deck. And 3 represents where they overlap. 3 face cards are also diamonds, jack, queen, king. So this is 12 plus, well, 13 minus 3 is 10. 12 plus 10 is 22 over 52. They're both even, so I can divide by 2. 11 over 26. Oh my gosh, sometimes I can do this and it makes me excited. Okay, what's D say? The probability of an even numbered card or a club. So even, I'm just going to write even for even numbered card or a club. Now let's think about this. Mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive? There are even cards that are clubs. Of course there are. The 2 of clubs, the 4 of clubs. How many even cards are in the deck? Let's see. There's a 2, a 4, a 6, an 8, and a 10. We don't count the queen because that's a face card. So 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is 5 of clubs. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of hearts. So it sounds like there's 5 times 4, 20 even cards in the deck. For clubs, spades, diamonds, hearts. Okay, or how many clubs are in the deck? 13 over 52. And how many, we have to subtract the doubles. We have to subtract the ones that we're including in both of these numbers so that we get rid of the duplicates. Let's see, how many are even clubs? Well, the 2 of clubs, the 4 of clubs, the 6 of clubs, the 8 of clubs, the 10 of clubs, 5. So minus 5 over 52 because those even clubs are in this number and the even clubs were counted in this number and we only need to count them once, not twice. So what's 20 plus 13, 33, 33 minus 5, I hope it's 28 if I'm doing that correctly, over 52. They're both even, so I can divide by 2 to make the problem smaller. Let me do that. So I get 14 over 26. I should have divided by 4. That was lazy of me. Okay, I'm going to divide by 2 again. So that's 7/13. Okay, I hope this makes sense. You have to ask questions and we have to have a float in advance if it doesn't make sense. Okay, thank you, children.